guys, it's Grayson. This lighting is not the greatest because we're just in my living room, but I do not have a way to hook up my ring light in this like spot that I'm currently in. Plus, I didn't want there to be a bunch of light combating with the tree lights. But anywho, welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. This is going to be my first like official video that's not makeup related. I've had a lot of people waiting for me to do me transforming my Christmas tree into a Valentine's tree. I wanted to do it a lot sooner and it just didn't happen that way. So hopefully y'all can hear me okay. I tried to set the microphone as close to me as possible. But basically, I had a lot of stuff go on, and so now we're a week away from Valentine's Day, but I figure better late than never. We'll have it for the week for Valentine's, and then after Valentine's I'll finally take my tree down, but I love my tree so much, so I've been dreading taking it down. So right now it's still Christmas, so I wanted to show you guys before. Obviously I'm going to change it. I have my like Valentine's supplies down here. It's going to be a pretty easy process. I did have a skirt that I ordered that was supposed to replace this one since this one has snowflakes on it, but Amazon lost it, so that didn't happen. But imagine that we don't have snowflakes on the skirt anymore. And then also on my entertainment center, I'm going to be removing this runner because it has snowflakes on it, and that is not Valentine's, that is winter Christmas. So I know a lot of people will completely redo their trees. For me, I already have a girly tree. I love rose gold, I love leopard print, I love all that kind of thing. So I have a rose gold tinsel tree and a lot of like pink and leopard and gold going on. So it's going to be really simple to transform this into a Valentine's tree because already my tree has like a lot of, I've got roses, little like glitter roses and some cute little flowers. So basically I'm just going to remove all the Christmas related stuff. Like we have all of our cute little Christmas ornaments. Like I have a little snowman, got a little bell, I do have a cross, and then the top is an angel right now. So we're just going to replace all the Christmas stuff with Valentine stuff. I got some wooden ornaments that are like my leopard ornaments, but they're Valentines, and so we just have a bunch of different designs. So we have they're all hearts, and so like we have some that are designed like this, and they're just regular wood, and then I also have some pink. It came also in this set. It was from Amazon. It's like a whole big huge set of them that has a bunch of pieces. I'll try to link it if I can, if they still have it on Amazon down below. But it came with wood, pink, and red. I'm not using the red just because it doesn't go with my theme, but if you were doing like full-on Valentines, it would be super cute and perfect. The red ones are really pretty. They just don't go with my situation. So I'm just doing the wooden ones and the pink ones, and I have like a mix of all the different designs because we have, like I said, these, we have solid, and then we have these ones that say love in the center, so they're really, really pretty. And then I'm going to replace our angel topper with this heart topper that, if I can, there we go, lights up. And then we also have a little, this has a pick on it. This is actually a cake topper, but I like to repurpose all things in my crafts. I kept the like toothpick on it for now because we might just kind of stick it in, or I might have to remove it and just use the little paper part, but it's just a glitter thing that says love, so we're going to stick that somewhere in the tree as well. I'm just going to kind of go with my creative flow. That's how I do things. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the Christmas stuff off of the tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and like do like a fast forward like time lapse of me doing that so I can include it in the video, but I don't bore you guys too much. So I'm going to go ahead and de-Christmas the tree, and then we will come on in with all of the Valentine stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sorry the lighting is not the greatest thing in the entire world, but hopefully y'all can hear me, see me okay, and yeah, I hope this is a fun change, and make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking of things I could do better. I do need to maybe change my setup completely because I'm so set up for makeup and now I'm trying to do other things. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and de-Christmas this tree, shall we? I think we shall. Okay, I'm realizing now that like y'all probably saw the back of my head, which this is another one of my like messy hair situations. So is it perfect? No. Did I take 2.5 seconds to do it? Yes. So y'all are really starting to get some me. It makes me very anxious and very nervous that I'm trying to be okay with it. So I just took all of the Christmas stuff off of here. I actually got the wooden leopard ornaments on Amazon as well. Everything else for my tree. Okay, so I followed a tree tutorial from Christy. She was one of the dance moms on the show Dance Moms, and she did like a how to make your tree look designer, and I posted that over on my Instagram before, talking about how I followed her tips on how to make your tree look designer for like all my ribbon and all my ribbon ties and things like that. I bought my tree itself at Walmart, so it was cheap, but then I spent about like 2 hours in Hobby Lobby looking for all of the stuff because I had a whole theme in mind. These did not come the first year I had the tree, which was last year. Well, not 2020, but 2019. And then I got the leopard print and added that in there for 2020. So the whole pink and leopard vibe is one of my favorite things, and rose gold also. But all of my stuff, like I have my cute little pink reindeer, like snow globe ornament, and we have a nice little rose gold glitter reindeer. All that stuff was Hobby Lobby. My topper and everything was all Hobby Lobby for all the Christmas stuff. And I did spend quite a pretty penny. Now it only cost me like $30 to get the Valentines stuff to switch it up, considering I'm not switching everything. So, but yeah, so we have everything on here that's still gonna kind of fit Valentine's theme. We kept all of our pink little flowers and the roses, and then these cute little lacy ornaments. My big bulb like lace ornaments are probably my favorites, aside from my leopard print because I'm kind of obsessed. I did keep one leopard ornament because it is a heart, so I'm kind of glad that we do have one little leopard moment that's going to stay on the tree. Unfortunately, it's not going to be a bunch of it, but we'll have one little leopard heart, and I decided since it was more toward the bottom of the tree for Christmas, we'll move it more toward the top for the Valentines and incorporate it in all of our Valentine's themed stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start figuring out where I want to put everything and get this little show on the road here. I decided I'm going to go ahead and try to put the topper on first. People said that they used this for a tree topper. It seems a little small to me, but I guess we're going to find out. And it is just its own little thing with the little switch here, so I don't have to like plug it in. But I really don't want to like stand up all the way on camera because I was trying to make it to where you guys can see the tree, but I don't want to like put my whole butt in the camera. That's why I was kind of down here. I put a blanket down and I'm kind of like crawling around on my knees right now. But I'm just going to put the topper on since I have to stand up to do it and then come back and show you guys because I'm sorry, but y'all already like, I don't know. I don't want to, I'm not ready to put my whole entire full body on the camera yet. That's where we're at right now. So we're going to put this on. It's going to be real simple because I can tell I'm just going to probably like stick this in and just make it look how I want to look and hide the little pack like in the back of the tree. And yeah, so let's do that real quick. And I'm also going to turn off the main lights of the tree while I do the ornaments, and then we'll turn them all back on at the end. So we're going to do that. So now we have the cute little heart on top. The lights on it are uneven, but they came to where you had to wrap them yourself. And so that's kind of on me. I should have, I don't know, I guess I wasn't paying enough attention to realize exactly where each light was, so it didn't fill the whole thing. So I might have to adjust that, but that's what the little heart looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off while we finish everything else. I might rewrap the lights in it and make them a little bit more evenly distributed. And we're gonna start putting some ornaments on here. I'm I'm trying to like explain everything as I go to also kind of drag it out, because if I just like did this real quick, I could probably be done pretty fast, but I'm trying to make a video for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So we're here, and you can hardly see me because of this wonderful lighting situation, but yeah, so I'm gonna turn that off, and I just folded the actual like top of the tree that my last topper was on, since that was not the case for this, and we kind of wanted it to be like, it looks like it's kind of like floating up there. I just took it and folded it down, because you know, fake trees, everything bends and you can adjust all the branches and everything. So I just took the original like top of the tree that sticks out and just gently bent it to the back of the tree, and then stuck this little guy with his little pick into the top. So now I'm going to fix it a little, and then we'll get into ornaments, and I'll probably just fast track you guys through the ornaments too, because you'll see me putting them on and it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't know, some people are like, how do you know like where to put stuff to make it look good? And I don't really have a huge explanation, but hopefully seeing kind of like where I fill in spaces and stuff is good enough to kind of help people. So I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I've never done anything that I do outside of makeup on camera, so we're just having fun doing it up, aren't we? We're just rolling with it. So let me fix this topper because it's looking a little wonky. Okay, I just restrung the lights in the topper to make them more even because I'm OCD, and that took a few minutes sitting here. It was quite the pain in the rear end, but they should be looking better once we're done putting on ornaments and we turn everything on and it's like, woo, reveal, yay. So I'm gonna start putting on ornaments. First thing I want to do is get the leopard back on there and do the heart, and I'm gonna do it more toward the top of the tree. So in my head I want it to be kind of where the cross was, and put it like kind of up here. So I'm gonna do that, and then basically everywhere where there were Christmas ornaments, I'm just gonna go in and put in Valentine's ornaments. I was gonna try to kind of like, so they would all be in the same exact spots, like replace them one by one, but then I was like, no, we'll go ahead and we'll just take all the Christmas off, and then we'll go in with the Valentine's and kind of make it go. So I'm just gonna do that and speed through it, and then we will talk about it and see how it looks. So let's do it. Okay, so right now I counted out my ornaments, but I have one ornament left, but I'm feeling like it would be fine where it's at. So I'm gonna flip the switch and see, because this was really just like essentially taking all the Christmas stuff off and replacing it all with just hearts. So there's not different shapes. Like with the Christmas, I had snowmen and stockings and all that kind of stuff, so there was a lot of different shapes going on, so you could kind of fill more in. But since it's all just hearts, we're just kind of having it scattered, and I wanted to scatter the different designs, since, you know, we had like the 3 different designs and then 2 different colors. So I also just kind of stuck that love thing in there at that top, and I don't even know if you're really going to be able to see it. It kind of was a different vision in my brain. I did end up taking the pick off the back. It was just hot glued, so I just kind of peeled it off and then just kind of stuck it in the tree. But it's really all just about like looking and like seeing what looks visually appealing to you. So I'm going to flip everything on. I'm going to take the other skirt off and see if I can come up with something for that to give it the full aesthetic instead of snowflakes. So let's see what I can come up with, and then we'll turn it on and see what we think about it and see if I need to move everything, because that's what I do, because OCD life. Okay guys, you can't see me anymore, but it's not about me, it's about the tree. So I turned the lights off so we could see the tree, and I think she looks cute. I actually really like it. I'm loving the pink on it, the little baby pink heart ornaments and the topper now that the lights are more even. Super cute. I took the runner off my entertainment center to get the full thing, and I ended up flipping over my skirt because you can see them like a little bit but not a lot. The snowflakes are now on the bottom, so it's just the burlap on the top, and that helped. I feel like I wanted my Valentines skirt to come in because it was just like the runner but only rose gold sequins, so no snowflakes, no wintry kind of stuff. So I was really excited. So I was really upset that Amazon lost her, but now we've got hearts, and you can, whenever the lights are off, you see the cute little love thing going across the front of it. I think it's backwards in the camera, but that's life. I'll do like some shots of just the tree and insert them, like some nice glamour shots of the tree. But this was a cute, easy little switch up. So I'm excited now that I have like all the supplies. So like next year, right after Christmas, I can change it over to Valentine's without waiting and having all kinds of crazy stuff go on. But I think it's really, really cute. I enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. And now I'm gonna just insert some glamour shots of the tree, and then I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. I think it's cute. I love my tree. Love my tree. Any reason to keep my tree up longer, I'm here for it. So let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comments. I'll insert some stuff of the tree, and love you guys so much. Bye guys.
So final little note, guys, I did switch up some of the ornaments because there was some design and color clashing, but they're all in the same places. I just switched around a few of them. But yeah, just a final little note, and here she is.